Look up. Yes, right now. At your ceiling, what do you see? Graceful patterns? Beautiful carvings? A royal touch to your home? But what if I told you that very ceiling could be polluting your air? That the beauty above your head might be silently harming your health? Like this video and subscribe right now, because we're about to uncover something most people completely ignore. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. When we clean our homes, we focus on what's in front of us: floors, walls, tables, maybe even fans. But ceilings, especially sculptured ones, they're rarely, if ever, cleaned. And that's exactly where the problem begins. Sculptured ceilings, with their intricate designs and grooves, trap dust far more than smooth surfaces. Over time, layers of dust, pollen, cobwebs, and even mold spores begin to settle deep within those patterns, out of sight and dangerously out of mind. There's a true story I came across recently. A family in Texas had a stunning living room, classic furniture, antique pieces, and a beautifully sculptured ceiling. Over time, the family started falling sick, sneezing, constant fatigue, mild headaches. They blamed allergies, weather, even their AC filters, but nothing worked. Until one day, an inspector walked in, looked around, and simply pointed up. That was the moment of realization. The entire ceiling was coated in years of dust and microbial growth, completely invisible unless you climbed up and touched it. Their beautiful ceiling was actually a health hazard. Sculptured ceilings are like art pieces, but their beauty comes with depth, and depth means more surface area to trap particles. Unlike flat ceilings that can be wiped easily, sculptured ones have edges, ridges, and recessed areas. And it gets worse. Most people try to clean them using feather dusters or brooms, but that just spreads the dust into the air, making it worse for people with asthma, allergies, or sensitive lungs. It's not just a hygiene issue, it's a silent health issue. So what's really accumulating in that ceiling above your head? Dust is obvious, but there's more. Dead skin cells, tiny insect parts, mold spores, and bacteria, all of which become part of the air you breathe. Over time, these particles contribute to respiratory problems, eye irritation, and even skin allergies. If your home has poor ventilation, the problem multiplies. These particles don't leave, they circulate. So next time you take a deep breath in your cozy living room, ask yourself, what am I really inhaling? Now, let's get practical. Wear a face mask and protective glasses. You do not want that dust in your lungs or eyes. For dry dust, use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment. This lifts the particles without pushing them into the air. Avoid using brooms, they make it worse. If your ceiling has stains or mold patches, lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with a mixture of water and mild soap. Gently dab the area, don't scrub. For stubborn mold, a vinegar-water solution, the 3:20 ratio, works wonders. This part is just as important. Don't use abrasive scrubbers. Sculptured ceilings are delicate, especially if they're made from plaster or old materials. Scrubbing can damage the design. Avoid bleach unless absolutely necessary. It can discolor the surface and damage the detailing. And never use pressure washers or overly wet cloths. Water can seep into the material and lead to cracks or future mold growth. Patience is key. It's not about speed, it's about doing it right. How often should you clean? Here's the golden rule. Clean your sculptured ceiling at least once every 6 months. If you live in a high pollution area or have pets, do it every 3 to 4 months. Make it part of your deep cleaning routine, just like changing your bed sheets or vacuuming your sofa, because once the dust starts building, the cleaning becomes harder and the risks become bigger. The bigger picture: a clean ceiling, a healthier home. Think about it. Your ceiling is always above you. When you sleep, when you eat, when your child plays on the floor. If it's dirty, the air you breathe is compromised every second. Then you know what to do. Like this video, share it with someone who loves home decor. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. And don't forget to subscribe for more truth-based storytelling and useful guides that make your life better, one fact at a time. Because sometimes, what's above us is the last thing we see.